great way to achieve tight, durable corners when wrapping a post with PVC is with a lock miter joint. Here's how to do it. First, cut your trim boards to width and length, remembering to oversize the assembly by at least 1/8 of an inch so the inside of the box will fit around the post. Then, set up a router table with a lock miter bit, adjusting its height so the center of the bit aligns with the center of the stock. Then, set the fence so the corner of the stock, the fence, and the router bit's cutting edge all meet at the same point. Now, run both edges of 2 of the boards through the router with the stock flat on the table. And run both edges of the other 2 boards with the stock held vertical against the fence. To assemble, begin with a board with the tongues facing upward and add glue to each miter, including the ones on each side piece, to create a 3-sided U-shape assembly. Place the U-shape assembly around the post, add glue to the remaining joints, and connect the final piece. Once together, use wood clamps while the glue sets up. Fasten the assembly to the post on one side, using corrosion-resistant trim screws or stainless steel trim nails. We've opted for a screw and plug system. Finally, ease the mitered edges with 150 grit sandpaper.